Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings. And obviously I will show you both options. So first of all, let's begin with the secret code. Let's tap on the dialer, go to the keypad and let's enter the code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let's go back and let me show you another way to check those numbers if for some reason your device won't cooperate with you and won't show you the IMEI and serial number using the secret code. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And as you can see, right at the very first page we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and right above it we've got the serial number. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.